Hello guys, we are here in Tasty Box. We're eating momos and Nepalese food.
Not momos, man.
Momo only, alright. In the Philippines, it's like siomai, steamer. Siomai, steam siomai, no?
Steam somai.
But still is spicy.
Alright. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah, man.
Oh wow, it's spicy.
Yeah, man.
You guys, if you want to try the food here, yeah, it's so good. If you like spicy food, yeah, come here. It's along Walker's Road, corner of Toyota. It's here.
Eat now, man. You vlogging? Eat now.
Let's promote their business. My countryman business.
Your countryman.
Yeah, my Nepali. My Nepalese countryman friend.
Yeah, man.
Let's support their business, guys. Come here and visit their food truck along Walker's Road. Tasty Box.
Tell me.
This one is how much for this? Pride.
$14.
It's chili chicken momo. It's $14 for this. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces.
$10.
And this one is steam momo. It's like 6 pieces, right? $8.
No, 8 pieces.
8 pieces.
$10.
$10 for this steam.
And this is 12.
And for the soup, it's $12. Yeah, come here and try it. Here's the owner.
Fucking. Eat, man. No.
Alright.
This one fucking flies is coming here.
It's the season. Fly season. Momo, momo. Ah. Momo, momo. That's chicken.
Chicken chili momo. We call it sea momo. Sea.
This is momo. Chicken momo.
Chicken.
Oh my.
Steam momo with pickle.
Steam momo.
Yeah, and this is chicken chili momo, sea momo. And this is jol momo. It's like soup.
Soup. All is momo.